Hey everybody, Spike here. About 8:30, 8:45 here, Wednesday. I'm sitting here at the garden. It didn't rain on me all the way out here. And second I pulled in the driveway, it thunder, lightning. But that's a good thing. If you look out there real close, them are arrowheads getting washed out in this stuff. Woo! Shoot, man, it's coming down. Well, I definitely am confident that I'm going to find something. It might not be whole, but I'm going to find something. All this dirt right there, all that dirt that he put up around the, backfilled up around the foundation right there, that's all good arrowhead dirt there. He took it right out of the vein over here to the north out of that big pile. Yeah, that big pile right there is where I've been finding them. And there's a bunch of it still there. Okay, man. Get back with you soon, hopefully. I'm in no hurry. I'm just gonna sit here and watch it rain for a while. Later.